Next one, preparation method of aldehyde and ketone. From acyl chloride, preparation of aldehyde and ketones. Next one method is from acyl chloride. What is acyl chloride? What is acyl group? What is acyl group? RC double bond O is an acyl group and chloride is an Cl. Okay, acyl chloride. So acyl chloride आता हे किती वेळा झालं? फ्रिडल क्राफ्ट असायलेशन रिॲक्शन प्रत्येक चॅप्टर मध्ये झाली. मग असाइल क्लोराइड आपल्याला लक्षात येऊ नये का? असाइल क्लोराइड. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, R group is an methyl. Suppose here CH3, C double bond O, Cl, called as an acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride. From acetyl chloride here we prepare the aldehyde or ketone group. Okay. So acetyl chloride reacts with hydrogen in presence of palladium and barium sulfate. Palladium and barium sulfate. So palladium and barium sulfate. Palladium acts as a reducing agent. किती वेळा झाले reducing agent? Platinum, palladium, nickel acts as a reducing agent. Okay. So break this bond between carbon and chlorine and add 2 hydrogen towards carbon and chlorine. H2, that is HH, to remove from this HCl. Okay, and 1 hydrogen atom attached to the carbon, then to form here CH3 C double bond OH, acetaldehyde plus HCl. Okay, the reaction named as Rosenmund reduction reaction. Rosenmund reduction reaction. So Rosenmund reduction reaction. In Rosenmund reduction reaction, the catalyst used as always palladium and barium sulfate. Palladium and barium sulfate. झोपेत जरी विचारलं तरी आपल्याला कॅटलिस्ट लक्षात आला पाहिजे. रोझनमंड रिडक्शन रिॲक्शन, पॅलेडियम अँड बेरियम सल्फेट. सेकंड वन एक्झाम्पल, benzoyl chloride. Benzoyl, not a benzyl. Benzoyl chloride. Benzene ring, C double bond O and Cl. Reduce by using a palladium and barium sulfate. Then to form, yes, what is the product? Benzene ring. Then there is C double bond OH to form a benzaldehyde plus HCl. Clear? Any doubt? समजले? हे 10 वेळा लिहून काढायचं, विसरलेच नाही पाहिजे परत. राईट डाऊन फास्ट. Then next one method from nitrile. Next one method from nitrile. Preparation of aldehyde or ketone by using a nitrile. What is nitrile group? What is nitrile? Nitrile is called as a cyanide. Cyanide or nitrile. R C triple bond N, cyanide or nitrile. preparation of aldehyde and ketone by using a cyanide and nitrile. The reaction named as Stefan reduction reaction. Stefan reduction reaction. Stefan reduction reaction from cyanide or nitrile. For example, methyl cyanide. Methyl cyanide reacts with nascent hydrogen, is reduced by using a reducing agent stannous chloride and HCl, SnCl2 and HCl. This one is an reducing agent. So break this bond and add a hydrogen atom. Okay, then to form CH3 CH double bond NH. Okay, CH3 CH double bond NH, called as the compound named as, this one is primary, secondary or tertiary amine. Is it a primary, secondary or tertiary amine? NH2, that is primary amine. NH is a secondary amine, and only nitrogen is a tertiary amine. This one is secondary amine. Okay, NH is a secondary amine, called as the imine, not amine, called as the imine. And this one is further hydrolysis, that is H3O plus, means H plus OH minus, H plus OH minus. OH minus attack on this carbon atom. Then this bond shift towards NH group carry negative charge, and they attack on this hydrogen to form here CH3, CH, here OH, and here NH2. NH2. Clear? Then from this oxygen and hydrogen bond shift towards here, formation of here double bond. This bond again shift towards NH2 group, carry negative charge. They attack on this hydrogen to form here CH3 C double bond OH plus NH3, means to form here acetaldehyde, to formation of acetaldehyde. Clear? Second one. Yes, ethyl cyanide reacts with nascent hydrogen in presence of SnCl2 and HCl, stannous chloride and HCl. Break this bond first, add a hydrogen towards carbon and nitrogen to form CH3 CH2 CH double bond NH, and further hydrolysis, then to form CH3 CH2 C double bond OH and plus NH3. In short, लक्षात ठेवा, in short C triple bond N, तिथं काय अटॅच करायचा, डबल बॉन्ड OH. फायनली काय फॉर्म होणार, डबल बॉन्ड OH. Okay, the reaction named as Stefan reduction reaction. Clear? Cn plus reacts with hydrogen in presence of SnCl2 and HCl, then to form CH double bond NH, and further hydrolysis to form here C double bond OH and plus NH3. Stannous chloride and HCl. Stannous chloride and HCl. This is an Stefan reducing agent. They reduce the cyanide group. Okay, प्रत्येक reducing agent कुठे यूज करायचा हे फंक्शन तुम्हाला सांगितले, माहिती पाहिजे. प्लॅटिनम इथं यूज करून चालणार नाही, पॅलेडियम यूज करून नाही चालणार. In the reduction of cyanide group, always use the SnCl2 and HCl. हीच रिॲक्शन तुम्हाला कंबाईन करून हॅलोजन मध्ये पण देतील. हॅलोजन मध्ये पण आहे, बरोबर. फॉर एक्झाम्पल मिथाइल क्लोराइड reacts with alcoholic cation, potassium cyanide, then to form A. Okay, and A further reacts with SnCl2 and HCl, then to form B. Clear? So here A is an CH3Cn and further reacts with SnCl2, then to form CH3C double bond OH, alcoholic. Clear? Alcoholic cation, potassium cyanide, not a alcoholic KOH. If there is alcoholic KOH, then dehydrohalogenase. Okay, then from nitrile or cyanide we prepare the ketone group. Now here prepare the aldehyde, then preparation of ketone by using a cyanide. For example, methyl cyanide, if reacts with Grignard's reagent, that is RMgX. For example, yes, CH3 Grignard's reagent, methyl magnesium chloride in presence of a dry ether. Okay, and the Grignard's reagent काही नवीन आहे का आपल्याला? नाही, बऱ्याच वेळा रिॲक्शन झालेले आहेत. प्रत्येक फर्स्ट चॅप्टर पासून रिॲक्शन येतोय ग्रिग्नार्ड्स रिएक्शन. Mg वर नेहमी चार्ज कुठला असतो? पॉझिटिव्ह. आर ग्रुप वर चार्ज येणार निगेटिव्ह, बरोबर. अल्डिहाइड कीटोन मध्ये आपण रिॲक्शन बघितली होती. अल्कोहोल फेनॉल मध्ये आपण रिॲक्शन बघितलेली. CH3 चा अटॅक कुठं होणार? कार्बोनिल कार्बनवर करत होतो आपण. इथं काय ट्रिपल बॉन्ड ये नाही, सायनाइड ग्रुप आहे. मीन्स आर ग्रुपचा अटॅक नेहमी कुठे करायचा? फंक्शनल ग्रुपवरती. फंक्शनल ग्रुपच्या कार्बनला आर ग्रुपचा अटॅक करायचा, लक्षात ठेवा. क्लियर? मग CH3 अटॅक ऑन दिस कार्बन, देन दिस बॉन्ड शिफ्ट टुवर्ड्स नायट्रोजन, कॅरी निगेटिव्ह चार्ज, and they attack on MgCl, means to form here CH3C, then here CH3. Okay, खाली लावा किंवा समोर अटॅच करा. Then here double bond N and here MgCl. Clear? Okay, and further this one hydrolysis H3O plus, then हा होल ग्रुप रिमूव्ह करायचा आणि तिथं डबल बॉन्ड O टू फॉर्म अ कीटोन, प्लस ह्याच्यातून NH3 बाहेर पडणार, अमोनिया, अँड प्लस बाय प्रोडक्ट इथे आहे MgCl अँड OH. डबल बॉन्ड ब्रेक झाले ना, नायट्रोजन वरती हायड्रोजन अटॅच होणार. क्लियर? समजला? सेकंड वन, methyl cyanide reacts with phenyl magnesium bromide in presence of dry ether. Try this one.
Yes, sir.
Mg carry positive charge, then benzene ring have a negative charge. They attack on this carbon, this bond shift towards nitrogen carry negative charge, and they attack on MgBr, means to form here CH3 C, then here benzene ring, double bond N, MgBr, and further hydrolysis reacts with water H3O plus, then to form benzene ring as it is C double bond O CH3 plus NH3 and plus MgBrOH, called as the acetophenone. We also prepare acetophenone by which method? In starting of the chapter there is two reaction, acetophenone and benzophenone, by using a Friedel-Crafts acylation. Okay, there is also prepare the acetophenone. Clear? The compound named as acetophenone. Next one question. The compound named as benzophenone. Clear? To form here, sorry, benzophenone. Okay, plus byproduct as it is ammonia, MgClOH. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
So this one is an preparation methods of aldehyde and ketone from aliphatic compound. Here we prepare the generally aliphatic aldehyde and ketone. Okay, clear? The next lecture la bagu aromatic aldehyde and ketone.